Hi everyone, my name is Eka and here is the course I set for my students. I tried to apply strategies to engage my students in their learning. To strengthen motivation and progression, I tried to make their learning visible using announcement. For example, I showed their group work in Canva, which is drawing a city map. Using the announcement, they can see other groups' projects, which hopefully will give them more inspiration. They can also check the winners for some challenge I gave them. Here, I challenged them to read 10 books in English and write the review. Students who can accomplish this task will be awarded by 10,000 points in the LMS. Of course, I let them know that I will announce their work and progress in the hope that it will motivate them to do their best. Next, I will show the modules I have built. In the beginning of the course, I set the warm-up to help them apply the right mindset and set their own learning goals for this semester. Let's see inside. Students will learn about their mindset and reflect whether it's growth mindset or fixed mindset. They will answer an engagement survey using quizzes. I use L1 to help students better understand the questions. Then, students watch some videos related to growth mindset. After that, they discuss which mindset is good for learning. Next step, to apply what they have learned and discussed, they need to make a learning contract which states what goals they want to achieve by the end of semester. I want my students to start something, including learning, by thinking about the end first. After the warm-up module, they move on to subject matters. Normally, I will set the module like this. I set prerequisites and how students can accomplish each unit. For example, for discussion, I require them to contribute before they can go to the next unit, and I set the minimum score for formative assessment. For this tour, I will use this module, and I open all the units so it's easier to see and navigate. I put a text header for each phase of the learning. I divided each module into 3 big parts: welcome, let's dive, and review. Every module in this course has the same pattern to help students familiarize what is expected from them. So let's see inside. In the beginning, students will prepare what they will discuss in this unit. I put together a simple playlist to help them prepare. Next, they will check their preparation by doing a quiz and get the ticket to dive. When they arrive in the second phase, let's dive, students learn more about the topic using Nearpod. I put the learning goals and success criteria inside the Nearpod. And next, students will discuss using the protocol Think, Pair, Share. This protocol is used to increase students' collaboration and participation. Here, I want them to think about which sports club we should have in our school. To put students into group, I ask them to do the quiz. Their answer will open the mastery path where they can discuss with classmates who have the same answer as them. Too bad the mastery path is still processing, so I cannot show it now. But basically, it's a discussion unit for students who choose the same sport. Next, they will go to class discussion and share what they have discussed to other groups. The next phase is review. In this phase, students recall what they have learned in Let's Dive before they do formative assessment to check their understanding about the learning matter so far. So that's it for the tour. I hope I have applied all the strategies to increase students' engagement, motivation, participation, and progression in the modules I have built. Thank you very much for listening.